we are talking about, that concept. This concept is called what? And how is this concept is going to useful for individual as well as the company or the firm?
The concept is very simple. Concept is simple, as I said, because it is an evolution. So first concept is evolution, as Charles Darwin said, no? Survival of the fittest. So only those will survive who are fit. Fit for what? Fit to evolve. So during
Okay.
evolving, it is knowledge transfer. Your knowledge is very
Mhm.
important. So without knowledge, you cannot run a business. So you
Okay.
have to maintain, you have to upkeep your knowledge, you have to upkeep your priority areas. Your
Mhm.
first focus should be customers. Your
Okay.
customers are your God. So if
Right.
their pain points are not being solved by you, then they will go to someone else. So that means you are leaving space for other competitors where you might be thinking, "अरे कौन आएगा इधर? मैं इस area का राजा हूँ." But that those days have gone.
Right.
You
Right.
are no more Raja of any particular sector or demographic locations. If situation comes, some other will enter. A small sector SME will threaten you.
Right. Right.
Nowadays, situation is like that micro and small enterprises are threatening big corporations because they are entering into those niche areas where they have never thought of, because they are
Right.
fast adaptable. They are fast growing, fast adaptable. Those big corporations takes time. They are big elephants. So
Mhm.
now is very good situation for startups and MSCs that they can
Mhm.
capture those niche areas immediately and grow up
Mhm.
through collaborations and become a big conglomerate.
Okay.
So first thing, the knowledge, scaling, and
Mhm.
learning,
Okay.
and then only you will succeed, because you should have your focus. My focus is customer. I have
Mhm.
to solve their pain points. So
Right.
minimum 9 pain points, as I said, is required for
Mhm.
design thinking. Minimum 9, because there are chances that some of the pain points may be left out. So of 9, it is a standard accepted approach. Out of 9, you can go for one at a time, and that way you can expand your business in your sector or in other sectors also through collaborations.